Hello everyone, welcome to Vyrol. Today, just like to give you a quick introduction to Vyrol Campaigns. What I am going to show you quickly now is how to make a campaign out of a shared page. Okay, so we go into the share pages setting, and I'm just going to choose a tutorial that we use on a previous share video. We can push this to a campaign. Okay, now, what is a campaign? A campaign means that generally, I would suggest choose a generic video, not one that's focused on a specific campaign, i.e., hi, Mr. Jones, for example, because you don't really want to send that video out to 100 people when their name is not called Mr. Jones. So try and choose a generic video, try and get a script or some kind of narrative that's generic. Especially if you've got a new product or service. Although share page is for focused videos, campaigns are for more for the wider kind of promotional aspects. So all we need to do is, depending on your tier and how many campaigns you've got, select the campaign button on your share page. Again, you will see that we have some customized metadata just to kind of give you a head start. You can customize this, rearrange what you need to do. Again, we can change all the different call to actions, links, attachments, and banners for promotional aspects, if you will. Once we've kind of got this as a central format, we can then choose a single campaign. Okay. So what we have now is, obviously we can choose the templates in question, but what's really nice here is we can import CSV data. We can do it manually if you want to. Generally, I've got some metadata. Okay, so we've got 100 data sets here, and we can see we just got like a quick view of how that data is kind of laid out. This is from a CSV file. What you can do is you can export this from your CRM, or you could download the CSV template and then customize the data accordingly. And then once we've imported it, let's try that again. Once we've imported it and we accept it, what it will do, it will basically add the data to each of these campaign pages. Okay, and what's really nice about this is we can publish the campaign, which means now we've got 100 live links in this instance because we've imported 100 kind of rows of data, if you will, fully customizable or focused to the actual client in question. So if I was to open any of these links, they will be, added by their name, any other additional elements that you want to do. If I went back to here and chose Caroline Scott, open this link, again, it's prepared for Caroline Scott. So all you're doing is, essentially, Vincent, here's the latest product overview video. So, you can have a new product or service, and with your current database or with your kind of content database that you've managed to achieve through, scraping the internet or through some kind of database facility, you can quickly import data, and it's pretty much limitless, really, in terms of, as long as you're on a specific tier, you'll be able to import that data. And the good thing about it is you'll be able to analyze all the data. Okay. So you can see here, I've only clicked on 3 for an example, but if you had, 1,000 different links, it would tell you how many views, how many calls to action. Yeah, it's very nice. And then once we start getting some data, you can see that we will create a bar chart and line chart. Yeah, so this is campaigns. I haven't gone into Vyrol funnels yet. This is a little bit more of a kind of a 4-step process, but this is a nice way to create campaigns to send batch emails out to potential prospects in the hope that you can gain some interest and potentially convert that opportunity into a sale. Okay, look forward to showing you the next stage in this process. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.